Adding my milk to the blender, adding my eggs, adding my salt, adding some pepper, adding my chicken. This is the cooked chicken. Adding some onions, adding some breadcrumb, and now we blend. I'm mixing my flour and my baking powder. Now I'm going to add it to my chicken, my ground chicken, and my hands are clean, so I wash my hands. So here I'm adding the remaining breadcrumb to my ground chicken. Smells delicious. Smells so good. No kidding. Smell so good. Okay, so now I'm gonna make my chicken balls. So I'm gonna grab grab a pile, and just roll it into a ball, and then roll it into your flour, like so. So you're gonna grab some chicken and roll it into a ball. Then you're gonna roll it into the flour. Again, I'll make 2 more. Nothing's happening over here. I'm cooking rice as well. So again, you grab some chicken, roll it into a ball shape, roll it into the flour, like so. Roll it into the flour. You're gonna fry the chicken balls you're frying these in sunflower. You're frying these in sorry guys, we're frying them in corn oil. Okay. And I'll fry these under medium to low heat. You don't want them to burn, you want to have them cook properly. Now I'm going to turn these over. So now I'm going to remove these from my oil. So I've fried them for about 7 minutes. Here I'll fry the second set, the final set. Okay, so now I'm going to make my sauce for my chicken balls. So I'm going to add sugar. We're adding vinegar. We're adding ketchup. And my pineapple chunks. Now I'm going to mix to combine. And now I'm going to pour the sauce over the chicken balls and allow them to cook for 10 minutes. The whole heap of balls here. So much balls. And now you allow these to cook for 10 minutes. And here's the finished product. My sweet and sour chicken balls. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up. Really appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.